Hello students, today we will be talking about force and motion. The main focus in this category is balanced and unbalanced forces. Force is measured in newtons, and to calculate this force, you use the formula F equals ma.
Balanced forces are forces acting against each other but both are equal. When there are balanced forces, the object being acted upon does not move. As you can see in everyday life, most objects don't move on their own, and this is because the force from the floor, or the ground, is canceling out the force from gravity. The force from the ground is often called normal force.
An example of this is a book on a desk. The force from the desk pushing up on the book cancels out the force from gravity pulling down on the book. Because of this, the book does not move.
Unbalanced forces are the opposite of balanced forces. When two forces are unbalanced, they do not cancel each other out. To calculate unbalanced force, you have to subtract the greater force from the smaller force.
An example of this would be a man pulling on a rope with a force of 80 newtons, and a boy pulling on the same rope on the opposite side with a force of 20 newtons. The rope would be moved towards the man with a force of 60 newtons.
Unbalanced forces can also change the direction and acceleration of an object. If an unbalanced force acts upon a still object, the object would accelerate. When an outside force acts upon a moving object with a greater force of the moving object, the object would change direction or speed.
This concludes our lesson on force and motion.